Today, I am reviewing the MSI Creator M16HX. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming laptop for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you've been searching for the perfect balance between raw power, sleek design, and cutting-edge display technology, let me introduce you to the MSI Creator M16HX. This is not just a laptop. It's a performance powerhouse designed for creators, gamers, and professionals who refuse to compromise. Let's start with the heart of the machine. The MSI Creator M16HX comes loaded with the 14th generation Intel Core i9-14900HX processor. This chip is an absolute beast. With its high core count and impressive clock speeds, it delivers ultra-smooth multitasking and blazing fast processing for heavy tasks like 4K video editing, 3D rendering, or hardcore gaming. Whether you're crunching large data sets or streaming while gaming, this CPU handles it all effortlessly. Backing up that firepower is 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. That's right, DDR5, the latest and fastest memory standard available today. It ensures smooth multitasking with zero hiccups, even when running memory-intensive applications like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Blender, or Unreal Engine. You can have multiple Chrome tabs, heavy editing software, and a game running in the background without breaking a sweat. Now, let's talk graphics. The MSI Creator M16HX is armed with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU. This card is built on NVIDIA's latest Ada Lovelace architecture, and it's absolutely beyond fast. Whether you're gaming at ultra settings with ray tracing on or rendering complex animations, the 4070 delivers jaw-dropping performance and stunning visuals. For creative professionals, CUDA acceleration dramatically cuts down rendering times in apps like After Effects, Maya, and Photoshop. But performance is only half the story. The display on this machine is next level. You get a spacious 16-inch QHD Plus panel with a stunning 240 Hz refresh rate. That's 2,560 by 1,600 pixels of vibrant detail with buttery smooth motion, perfect for fast-paced competitive gaming, content creation, or even high-resolution media consumption. The taller 16:10 aspect ratio gives you more vertical screen space, which is great for productivity. The colors are rich, sharp, and accurate, making it a dream come true for photographers, videographers, and digital artists. Whether you're grading footage or designing pixel-perfect graphics, this display keeps up with professional demands. Storage is another highlight. You get a massive 2 TB NVMe SSD. That's not only ample room for all your games, files, and projects, but it's also blazingly fast. Boot times, file transfers, and software load times are nearly instant. Say goodbye to the days of laggy workflows or waiting for large files to open. And let's not forget thermals. This laptop features MSI's Cooler Boost 5 technology. It uses advanced heat pipes and dual fans to keep the laptop cool even under intense workloads. So whether you're pushing frames in Cyberpunk 2077 or exporting a 4K timeline, your system stays cool, stable, and quiet. On the outside, the MSI Creator M16HX has a sleek and professional design. It's black, minimal, and elegant, fitting seamlessly into any setup, whether you're in the studio, office, or a tournament arena. The backlit keyboard offers a premium typing experience and keeps you productive even in low-light environments. Running on Windows 11 Home, this laptop is optimized for productivity, security, and performance right out of the box. And if you're a business professional, MSI recommends upgrading to Windows 11 Pro for even more enterprise-level features. Overall, the MSI Creator M16HX is one of the best all-around laptops you can get in 2024. It's fast, powerful, visually stunning, and built to handle anything you throw at it. If you're a content creator who also loves to game, or a gamer who dabbles in video production or 3D modeling, this laptop was made for you. It's not just a laptop, it's a mobile workstation, gaming rig, and creative powerhouse rolled into one.